Hi there, I'm gonna show you in this video tutorial how to repair the Imei for Huawei i5 2019 using the fast repair method reintroducing the latest update of OT Smart. Also, this repair is permanent, means that after the factory reset the Imei will still be the one we repaired and won't reset to the default. As usual, we have here one sample, and as you can see, it has the Imei damaged. So we plan to repair this Imei. For this, I'm going to use OT Smart module from pack 6 of Furious Gold. So let's start by selecting the proper model, 19. I'm going to check repair Imei and press connect. Before this, I'm going to power off the device. In order to connect this phone, we need to short the test point. For Y5, the test point is this one, so we are going to short it like this when the software asks us. So let's put here the new Imei values. I'm going to put for reference one dummy Imei. I'm going to press done. I'm going to insert the end lead of the USB cable in the phone. I'm going to short the test point and insert the USB on the PC. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the work starts. So now the software is asking us if we want to do the fast repair method. If we are going to use the fast repair method, then there won't be any more refreshing needed after the operation is completed, as on the older versions. So I'm going to select yes. So this is all. Now let's check the mobile. We remove the USB cable and we power it on. So let's check the Imei. As you can see, we have here the new values. So now let's perform a factory reset to show you that the values are going to stay like you saw. So I'm going to select reset phone. So now let's wait. Okay, so the phone resetted now, so let's check. So let's see if the Imei will remain as we repaired. Okay, so as you can see, it is same as before the factory reset. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.